Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog around the house. Well, I just got done mowing a minute ago, and all of a sudden, it wasn't blowing anymore. So I stopped. I brought it up because it's getting ready to rain anyway, and I thought maybe the wiring on my magnetic clutch might have went, but nope, it wasn't. It is my belt. It broke. On the deck. You can see. There's the other piece. Oh man, it's amazing. I can't seem to get 3 seasons out of anything. And the belts break. So I'm glad they're only like $18, and that's probably why they break, because they're only $18. So anyway, as you can see, I got a little more mowing to do. I did get the front done, but unfortunately, maybe this will be the last time I have to mow too, because we're middle of September, and I think growing season ends sometime around the end of September. So, but anyway, always something, huh? And today I'm changing the belt out on the mower day for about the 10th time. But today I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try and change it on while the deck is still on the tractor. I have not tried that yet, so I'm going to try it this time. And that said, the belt that I just got is a Dayco, and for this is the 22 horsepower, 22 and a half horsepower V-twin Kohler Command Craftsman DieHard. And it has a 50-inch mower deck. And the Dayco belt, in this case AP93, the one that actually runs the tractor is an AP83. So we're going to see if we can get that to... See if I can do that without having to pull the deck. And I'm tired of running around trying to find adapters and adapters. So I picked up a Porta Cable 34-piece impact kit. So those aren't just standard tips. They're actually impact for the Porta Power impact gun. So, and what do I need that for today? Well, it's got This has a set of star tip screws for the belt cover, the pulley cover, should I say. Someplace. But I decided I wanted a kit. Alright. To go along my 20 volt DieHard. Star tips. These are on both sides. So let's see. 20U. Size bigger. That's the next size. Oh, this one here. That's the that one. Magnetic tip. Okay. Let's see. See what I'm doing? Get these tips right here. They gotta come out. They hold the. Yeah, put you on my head then. Now you can see what I'm doing. Where'd that tip go? Okay. Okay, so that takes care of that cover. Let's do the other side. And again, this is just the one. Here's the one side. Wait a second, I'll get to it. No, you can't do it. You gotta pull the belt or pull the deck off. Beautiful. So what I need to do is I'm gonna pull it from the other side. It's gonna come across here and then go forward. So I gotta go by this little clip here. Fix that. Now I'm wondering if I got the right. I wonder if I get the right belt. Now I'm thinking about it. This is coming out here. This has got to go over top of this belt and then goes back forward and it goes around the front of that. So with that said, let's see.